Here's a side-by-side comparison of Open Value and Open Value Subscription. Here you can see some of the similarities and differences between the two programs. You'll notice first off, Open Value itself is a perpetual licensing program, meaning you have perpetual licensing rights. Open Value Subscription, on the other hand, is a subscription-based program, so there are no perpetual licensing rights included. You will notice that both are a 3-year program, and they're both offered through the broad channel of Microsoft partners and resellers, so everyone can offer this to their clients. The initial order is where there is one difference between the two programs. With Open Value Perpetual, the initial order could be company-wide, or it could be for a handful of products, for instance a server, or a handful of Office licenses, or CALs. So you have the option to be company-wide or not company-wide. With Open Value Subscription, however, the initial agreement must be company-wide for at least one of the enterprise products. So that's one of the key differences, is the Open Value Subscription does require company-wide for at least one enterprise product on the initial order. Open Value Perpetual, it can be company-wide or non-company-wide. For additional orders, again, you can add on additional orders to an Open Value Perpetual agreement at any time. And same with Open Value Subscription, you can add on additional products to the Open Value Subscription. Now you can add additional products during the initial order if you want to, in addition to the enterprise product you order on a company-wide basis, or you could add additional products anytime throughout the agreement. Another key benefit of Open Value Subscription is the annual true up and true down. So once a year, what you will do is count the number of PCs in the company and place your order for that many of the enterprise products you're looking to cover on a company-wide basis. So as your company grows, the Open Value Subscription program grows with you, so it covers you for all those PCs. If your company does shrink, your agreement also has the flexibility to go down in size as well. So again, it maps 1-to-1 with the number of PCs in your company. So just once a year, you count your PCs and place your order, and that's it for license management for all of your enterprise products covered company-wide. So there's some great flexibility there from a license management perspective. From a cost perspective, again, Open Value Subscription has some very attractive pricing behind it because it is a non-perpetual based licensing program. So for instance, with Open Value Perpetual, in your initial agreement, you are actually acquiring the license itself and the software assurance benefits. So you'd be paying for 1/3 of the license for each of the first 3 years and 1 year of software assurance. Then after the first 3 years, you're just renewing your software assurance. Compare that to Open Value Subscription, where you're not actually acquiring the license itself. So your payment is just for the rights to use the software and the software assurance benefits. So it breaks down to about 37% of the license cost only. So it's very, very price attractive. Both Open Value Perpetual and Open Value Subscription are renewable on an additional 3-year basis. Both include software assurance. And one of the other benefits of Open Value Subscription is the promotion called the up-to-date discount. And what this provides is for clients who have licenses today for Microsoft technology, either current version or one version prior for this software they're entering into an Open Value Subscription agreement for, they will receive 50% off their first year payment. So again, it's giving them credit back for prior purchases of Microsoft software, and now moving into Open Value Subscription, they can recognize a 50% discount on that initial first year payment.